Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look what has happened yesterday on the euro currency. On the daily time frame there are not much changes. In fact, market is still calling around the previous swing high. Well, as we have discussed in our weekly research, that the situation on the longer term perspective is a bit blur, and it's a bit tricky, since market, depending on how it will respond to this area, could either continue move higher, and if market will pass through this area and continue move higher, then we could get the move right to 137. Or if market will fail here, and probably could start the downward action according to our weekly pattern. So for those of you guys who didn't read this analysis, here you see the link to our thread on this video, and you could visit our forum and read the analysis of the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. It also carries a lot of interesting and significant moments. Particularly, it will explain why we currently stick with the scalp short-term setup on the daily time frame. Well, and in fact, on the daily time frame, it's not much to add because you could see our major setup, as we have discussed, is the searching for the short entry with the scalp opportunity, because market has accomplished this ABCD pattern, stand now at overbought resistance, and some even minor respect should follow, at least to the 3.8 support of this most recent thrust. That's at minimum, but maybe it will be a bit better. Besides, why this setup is significant? Because currently we just think that this could be just a bounce, but if, as we said in our weekly research, if this will be reversal here, this minor setup that we now treat as the scalp setup could really lead us to some long-term continuation to the downside. So this setup for short entry could shift to the triggering point for the reestablishing on the long-term bear trend that we have on the weekly time frame. That's why it's also significant. Now let's take a look on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, we have two interesting moments. First of all, we have completed stop grabber pattern, bearish stop grabber. You can see it's right here, although it's not the type of the stop grabber that I like to see very much. I prefer to see the stop grabbers in the direction of the previous thrust, somewhere like this one. Some kind of this one. So market shows the upward action, this retracement, and the stop grabber in the direction of the further move up. But here, as you can see, it opposite to the previous trend. So this is the bearish stop grabber. It has the target, minimum target is right here. The previous swings low is 131.77 approximately. Okay, and this stop grabber assumes that market should reach this, take out this loss. The invalidation point of this stop grabber is its high. It's right here. It's around 132.94. That's the first pattern that we have, and it's bearish. The second pattern that we could get here is the butterfly. I do not think that it has the huge probability to happen, but still this is possible. Why I think that the butterfly has minor odds to appear? Because on the daily time frame, market has hit the 100% extension. In fact, logically speaking, market has no reason to show some washing rinses taken out of these highs or something of that sort, because it has no targets right above this high. Market has, particularly by this high, market has accomplished this ABCD target. So it's not many reasons to show some kind of splash up and grabbing the stops above this. So it's not in the current situation. So if, for instance, the 100% extension target of this ABCD stands slightly higher than these highs, then probably yes, I could say that odds of the appearing of the butterfly is significant. But right now, the odds is much smaller. That's why I think that stab grabber has maybe even more chances to work than this butterfly. Anyway, since you can see that the invalidation point of the stab grabber as invalidation point of the butterfly, that is top right here, stands very close, you could just shoot two hairs by the one stop. So if you place stop somewhere above this high, in this case you will protect simultaneously from the butterfly and from the failing of the stop grabber, because if market will continue move higher, that will not be the stop, that will not be the butterfly already, because initial swing of the butterfly will be broken. Simultaneously market will erase this stop grabber pattern. That's why placing stop slightly higher than this high will be significant. So this will be not big really stop loss. When market will start move down, and if it will start move down, you should move your stop to the break even, because by the moving to the downside, the butterfly will not be eliminated, because market could show this minor retracement and turn to the upside. So you will have to manage your position within the current trading session. Well, that's major idea here on the 4-hour time frame. Now we are discussing how we could try to enter short. On the hourly time frame, there is another possibility here, and that could be in fact the double top pattern. Although I prefer to see the wash and rinse of the second top, and the second top shows small wash and rinse of the previous top, but it's not always happens. So here in fact I did not see anything more, but except maybe the appearing of some sort of the double top, nothing more. Here we see market shows move up. That was the bullish stop grabber that has completed its target by taking out of these highs. Now you can see market again flirting with the MACD predictor line. So if it will be stop grabber again, market will show splash up. So keep an eye on this moment. If we will get here another bullish stop grabber, don't enter short. Be sure that market will shift trend bearish. Only after that you could try to take the short position. What is also significant here is this weekly pivot point that has been tested yesterday. So market in fact could continue move down and reach the weekly pivot point. That, as you remember, was our first destination on the potential retracement to the downside. In this case, market probably simultaneously will hit the target of the bearish stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame, because its target is right here, these lows. By moving down and hitting the weekly pivot point, testing the weekly pivot point, market will simultaneously hit the target of this 4-hour stop grabber pattern. But now all our attention shall be stick to this area. So we need either shifting the trend to the bearish right here, or waiting for another hour and see whether market will cancel the potential stop grabber pattern that could appear right here, right now. You could see its markets now showing the price action that could really turn to another bullish stop grabber. So keep an eye on this development. But in general, on the 4-hour time frame, if all will happen as we now have discussed, and market will form here, stop grabber will shift trend here to the bearish side, and we will get another bullish stop grabber on the hourly time frame that will suggest the taking out of these highs. So in this case we could try to enter on the short side of the market. Also guys, today we will release the video for gold market. We'll discuss the gold market as well on the daily basis. If you want to take the text version of this video research, so you could find it in the same thread, the same weekly thread that where our weekly analysis stand. Right below the weekly analysis you will get the text update that will be corresponding text version of this current video. So visit our forum, you will find a lot of interesting there, and let's see how market will behave with our potential patterns that we have just discussed, and let's see will we get the chance to take the short position during today's trading session.